Oh man. Caitlin is over here unboxing the newest edition. I'll just give you a little sneak peek right there. Today's the day, guys. We have in front of us the brand new Traxxas Raptor R Pro Scale. I am super excited for this truck. I didn't know they were going to come out with this thing. It's kind of cool. It's throwing a twist on the whole scale scenario. We're still utilizing a very well-known chassis, and I have some concerns, but I have some very big expectations for this thing, and I'm super happy to see how this works out. Let's go ahead and throw this guy open out the box. I'm not going to do a big, long unboxing and bore you guys. I want to get this thing out on the track and drive the heck out of it and show you guys what it is made of. Let's dive into it. First off, of course, we have our standard TQ transmitter. Fresh out of the box right here, rolling off the showroom floor. We got our little instruction manual and tool packet. Let's just dive in this really quick. I know I don't want to bore you. I don't want to bore myself either, if I'm being honest, but let's see what we got in here. We have an optional pinion gear. This looks like it's going to be the high-speed gearing one. Comes with a set screw. Very nice. Traxxas seems to always do this for their models. Super nice of them. We have a little Traxxas turnbuckle wrench, some various Allens, and looks like the hex to be able to get the wheels off. Next, we have some little shock spacers. Looks like some extra diaphragms to go inside the shock to change how the shocks perform. Nice fender flares right here. This looks like to kind of make the fender flares satin and add some reflectors to them. I'm not quite sure where these guys go. Maybe this is like a rock protector to go at the front of the bed, kind of like a real truck, or like the older Porsches have that little piece of black PPF right there. Could be similar there. And you got some Traxxas stickers. You got your full detailed manual, very nice detailed description of all the part numbers, everything on the truck should you ever need to take it apart. Really good for first timers. If it's your first RC, definitely get history on this guy. Definitely look through all of it. It's going to help you out a lot. Then we have our actual manual. This is going to be how like a quick start guide, telling you all about the truck, how to start the truck, how to use the ESC for the first time, how to use the new clipless body system. Now, without further ado, I don't want to wait anymore. I really kind of want to keep this body encapsulated in all of this stuff because we do have in front of us the very special edition black one. We're happy to have this guy. Like I said, look, you want to take the body off, leave it pristine in this, and just, put it on the shelf for safekeeping. But can we really do that? I don't think we can really do that. So we're going to use this bad boy. Just like the Bronco, 4 tabs, 1 on each wheel. Pops the body right off. I'm hearing some aggressive gear mesh in this thing. This does not sound like your average Slash. This sounds like a Slash that got like a Mamba Monster system thrown into it back in the day. We are looking at right here, we are a normal Slash 4x4. Looking over the chassis, we're using our standard Valenian 3500 motor with our VXL 3S. We are kind of looking just like a normal extended Slash 4x4. I'm curious to see how this guy works and if this new system and motor is updated from the last guy. I remember this used to kind of get overheated as well, and they would give some problems on thermaling back in the day, but we're going to see if we have the same issue with this guy. I'm hoping Traxxas has updated this, knowing this is a longer, bigger chassis. We do have bigger wheels and tires. We got a lot of more rotating mass here. I'm really hoping they kind of beefed up the powertrain on this thing. The shocks on this thing, they feel pretty good. They feel like they're going to absorb a lot of bumps. They definitely doesn't bottom out like that, so these seem like really good shocks. We don't have the titanium, or we don't have the nitride coated shock shafts, but that's okay. Nor threaded bodies on this. I kind of would have liked to for the price point. We're kind of almost like an ultimate Slash price point here. I kind of like to see the threaded shock bodies and maybe the ultimate upgraded shocks. Seems like we kind of just got the normal Slash 4x4 shocks, which is perfectly fine, but probably does leave some stuff to be desired there. Flipping over to the bottom of the chassis, we can see how long this thing really is. Oh man, the gloss black on this thing is, oh chef's kiss, it is amazing. Body is fantastic. Look at that. Loving the detail on this. They really gave it that nice Raptor vibe. I'm feeling the wide body fenders, how far everything is sticking out from the bedside and the normal doors. All these updated scale parts. It's got Raptor R right here with the little red R. That's sick, that's sick. Traxxas, hats off to you guys. You guys did very good. I like this. I like this a lot. Guys, I'm done. I'm done yapping. I'm gonna go drive this freaking thing. Let's go. boys, girls, children of all ages, that is the Traxxas Raptor R in all of its glory. I don't know how I'm feeling about it, guys. I love the styling of the truck. I love everything about it, but there's just something that's missing, and I don't exactly know what that is, but I believe I have an idea. Guys, if you like this video, drop a like. Think about subscribing to the channel. We're going to be doing a lot with this Raptor R. We're going to be doing a lot more videos. A lot of products are coming out for this thing. We're going to be doing everything and deep diving into this, trying to make it the best Raptor R out here. We're going to be the fastest ones on this track. Just so you know, we're going to be the fastest ones. We have to. We can't let Justin or Matt be faster than us, or Chase. We cannot, because Chase is getting a trophy truck too. But guys, that is the Raptor on all its glory. We took it out here, drove it around. I'm going to go ponder on all of my thoughts of the truck, what I think about the truck, and kind of develop a review for you all later. I don't exactly know what I'm thinking right now. It's a beautiful truck, and it is out here, and I'm super happy Traxxas is getting more into the scale vibe, but there's something missing. There's something missing. I hope you have a beautiful night, morning, day, afternoon, whenever you watch this video. Hope you have an awesome time, and I thank you for watching the video, and we will see you next time.